Class 9th NCERT Math exercise number 8.1 question number 9. In parallelogram ABCD, ABCD is a parallelogram. 2 points P and Q are taken on diagonal BD such that 2 points P and Q taken on the diagonal BD such that DP is equal to BQ. The distance DP is equal to BQ given, so that triangle APD congruent to triangle AQC, APD, this triangle congruent to triangle CQB, this triangle. Both the triangle we have to congruent. In triangle APD and triangle CQB, in triangle APD, this triangle, and in triangle CQB, in both the triangle, what is given, AD is equal to CB. This side AD is equal to CB. It is the side of the parallelogram, opposite sides of the parallelogram. So this one is equal to BC, and PD is equal to BQ. PD or DP is equal to BQ. It is given. And angle, this angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angle. This angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angle, because AD and BC are the opposite sides of the parallelogram. So AD parallel to BC and BD is the transversal. So this angle is equal to this angle because of the alternate interior angles are equal. So now I am going to write down the proof. AD is equal to CB. Why it is equal? Sides of the parallelogram are equal, and DP is equal to BQ given. DP is equal to BQ, it is given. And angle ADP is equal to CBQ, alternate interior angle. Angles are equal. Why? Because this line parallel to this line and BD is the transversal. So this angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angle. Hence we can say that triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB by side angle side congruency rule, by SAS rule. It is proved. Now question number 2. What is in the question number 2? AP is equal to CQ. AP is equal to CQ. It is the corresponding part of the congruent triangle. So we can say in this part, triangle APD congruent to triangle CQB. It is above proved. Here it is proved. So we can say that AP is equal to CQ. AP is equal to CQ by CPCT. In part 3rd, what we have to prove? AQB congruent to triangle CPD. AQB, this triangle congruent to triangle CPD, this part. This triangle congruent to this triangle we have to prove. What is given in this triangle? The side AB is equal to CD because of the opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. AB is equal to CD. Opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal, and BQ is equal to DP. BQ Q is equal to DP. It is given in the question. And angle ABQ, angle ABQ is equal to angle CDP, CDP, this angle, alternate interior angle. This angle is equal to this angle, alternate interior angle. So we can say that both the triangle are congruent by SAS congruency rule. In triangle ABQ and triangle CPD, AB is equal to CD. AB is equal to CD. Why? Opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. BQ is equal to DP. It is given in the question. And angle ABQ, angle ABQ is equal to angle CDP. Why it is equal? Alternate interior angles. So triangle AQB congruent to triangle CPD by which congruency rule? By SAS rule, because two sides and one angle of one triangle is equal to the two sides of the other triangle are the equal. So we can say that the triangle AQB is equal ABQ congruent to triangle CPD by SAS rule. Now fourth part, what we have to prove in the fourth part? We have to prove AQ is equal to CP. AQ is equal to CP. This is the corresponding part of the congruent triangle. So AQ is equal to CP. In fifth part, what we have to prove in the fifth part? APCQ is a parallelogram. APCQ is a parallelogram. This is APCQ. This is the parallelogram. We have to prove it. This is the parallelogram. We have proved already AQ is equal to CP. AQ is equal to CP. AQ is equal to CP. This one we have to prove just now. This is proved in fourth part. And AP is equal to CQ. AP is equal to CQ. This is also proved in second part. Proved in second part. So two pair of opposite sides are equal, then we can say that ABCD is a parallelogram. AQ is equal to CP. AQ is equal to CP and AP is equal to CQ. So opposite pair are equal. So we can say that APCQ is a parallelogram. Two pair of opposite sides are equal. So we can say ABCD is a पैरेललोग्राम. इट इज़ प्रूव्ड. इस चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें, अपने दोस्तों के बीच ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा भारी मात्रा में इसे शेयर करें ताकि इस चैनल को इम्प्रूवमेंट मिल सके. ओके, धन्यवाद. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.